Show me ready like this.
Ready.
Oh, who's ready? No, Joshua, go back.
Really? How about we get
Okay. Who's ready? Who's ready?
How about we can put it right
Who's ready to make that heart?
Right there. I want to put it out.
Who's ready to make a joy heart? Make me a heart with your fingers. Make a heart. Make a heart.
I need a heart.
Say, I love you. You're my Valentine. I love you. You're my Valentine. Yes, it's true. Sing. Joshua, don't touch it. You're my Valentine. Say, you're my Valentine, Mommy. You're my Valentine, Daddy. Okay? We're going to work towards a Valentine's Day, okay? Let's stretch. Tummy's in. Open legs.
How about we can put it right
No
here?
fun until the work is done. Okay? Joshua, you're not ready. Noah's not ready. Catherine's not ready. This is ready. Show me out. Show me in. Show me out. Show me in. Perfect. Show me open. Open. Show me close.
Miss Joy, this is what I do at my ballet.
Good. Open. Okay, shake your right hand. Shake your left hand. Shake your right foot. Get it up. Left foot. Okay? Right hand. Left hand. Right foot. Left foot.
Okay. This is, how about we
No
put
toys.
it
Put the toys away.
right here?
Focus. 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 Do my stretches and focus.
How about we put it right here?
Let's go. I did it. I did it. I did it, boys and girls. Good. Looking good. Okay, now we're going to do a learning song and a party song. I'm going to teach. Who wants to do JoJo Siva today? Or who wants to do BTS? Which one should we do? Okay, but we have to learn our learning songs first. Let's do Tick-Tock on the clock. Tick-Tock on the clock. Did I bring my clock? Okay, here's my clock. Look at my clock. Okay, get your hands up like this.
Good job, Matilda and Josh.
Watch it.
Like
Like this. Get your arms up like this. 1 o'clock. Watch. So 12 o'clock. Put your feet together. Tight bodies. Up. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Say it. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. And then we change arms. You're right. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Get your arms up.
1, 2, 3.
That's what we're going to do. And it goes like this. Look at the time. Look. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock. Okay?